Welcome to the channel Protect based on community health. Please share this awareness video to all whom you love and care. Today we will look into the health properties of antioxidant rich vegetable onion. Onions are members of Allium genus that includes garlic and shallots. These vegetables contain vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. Onions are nutrient dense. One medium onion has 44 calories. This vegetable is highly rich in vitamin C, a nutrient involved in regulating immune system, collagen production, tissue repair, and iron absorption. Vitamin C acts as powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells against damage caused by free radicals. Onions are rich in vitamin B complex, including folate, that is B9, and pyridoxine, that is B6, which play important role in metabolism, red blood cell production, and nerve function. Onions are good sources of potassium, a mineral which many people are lacking. Normal cellular function, fluid balance, nerve transmission, kidney function, muscle contraction all require potassium. Onions are beneficial in heart health. Onions contain antioxidants that fight inflammation, decrease triglycerides, and reduce cholesterol, all of which lower heart disease. The potent anti-inflammatory properties helps to reduce high blood pressure and protect against blood clots. Quercetin, a flavonoid antioxidant, is highly concentrated in onions. It is a potent anti-inflammatory. Quercetin helps to decrease heart disease and blood pressure. Onions have been shown to decrease cholesterol levels. Onions are loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that inhibits oxidation, a process that leads to cellular damage and contributes to diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Onions contain over 25 different varieties of flavonoid antioxidants. Red onion contains anthocyanin. People who consume foods rich in anthocyanin have reduced risk of heart disease. Anthocyanins protect against certain types of cancer and diabetes. Onions contain cancer-fighting compounds. Eating vegetables of Allium genus like garlic and onions has been linked to lower risk of cancers of stomach and colorectal. These cancer-fighting properties have been linked to sulfur compounds and flavonoid antioxidants. Onions provide onionin A sulfur-containing compound, which has been shown to decrease tumor development. Onions also contain fisetin and quercetin, flavonoid antioxidants that may inhibit tumor growth. Onions help in the control of blood sugar. Quercetin and sulfur compounds in onions possess anti-diabetic effects. Quercetin interact with cells in small intestine, pancreas, skeletal muscles, fat tissue, and liver to control whole body blood sugar. Onions may boost bone density. Onions help reduce oxidation stress, boost antioxidant levels, and decrease bone loss, which may prevent osteoporosis and boost bone density. Onions have antibacterial property. Onions can fight potentially dangerous bacteria like E. coli, Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Staphylococcus aureus, and Bacillus cereus. Onion extract has been shown to inhibit growth of Vibrio cholerae, a bacteria which is a major public health concern. Quercetin in onion has powerful antibacterial property. Onions boost digestive health. Onions are rich sources of fiber and prebiotics, which are essential for gut health. Prebiotics are non-digestible fiber that are broken down by beneficial gut bacteria. Gut bacteria feed on these prebiotics and create short-chain fatty acids like acetate, propionate, and butyrate, which strengthen gut health, boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and enhance digestion. Prebiotics helps to increase probiotics such as lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, which benefit digestive health. Prebiotics helps to improve the absorption of calcium, which improve bone health. Onions are rich in prebiotics, inulin, and fructooligosaccharides, which help in the increase of friendly bacteria in the gut and improve immune function. Onions are easy to add to diet. Onions give flavor to savory dishes and can be enjoyed raw or cooked. Onions boost the intake of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Onions are best stored between 4 degrees centigrade and 10 degrees centigrade, at which they maintain their characteristics. Store in a cool, dry, dark, and well ventilated room. Avoid leaving onions in plastic bags as this may spoil quickly due to poor ventilation. Darkness helps them to last longer. Peeled onions can be stored in fridge up to 2 weeks, while sliced onions will only last for 7 to 8 days in fridge. Avoid storing whole unpeeled onions in fridge as they easily absorb moisture, thereby spoil faster. Nutrition of 100 grams of raw onion. Calories 40 kilocalories, water content 89%, proteins 1.1 grams, carbohydrate 9.3 grams, sugar 4.2 grams, fiber 1.7 grams, fat 0.1 gram. Onions should not be given to pets as the sulfoxides and sulfides can be hazardous and can produce Heinz body anemia in pet animals and can be deadly.